Jagdeep Dhankar's tenure as the vice president has been marked by many controversies. The opposition labelled him as biased and pro-government leader. At key moments, he stood apart, challenging the government, defending the judicial independence and even questioning the centre on the farmers' issue. India Today tracks his dynamic relationship with the central government. Watch.
मुझे खुशी है कि इस महत्वपूर्ण कालखंड में उच्च सदन को आपके जैसा सक्षम और प्रभावी नेतृत्व मिला है.
This was less than 3 years ago, when an emotional Jagdeep Dhankar was welcomed to the upper house of parliament by none less than the Prime Minister. Throughout his tenure, Dhankar had been dubbed to be too close to the BJP, often towing the Modi government's line. His body language, his praise of the Prime Minister, his clashes with the opposition, both as Bengal governor and then as Rajya Sabha chairperson, all contributed to the pro-Modi label. Dhankar had even stood firm with the centre on several issues while defending even the RSS in the house.
मैं आरएसएस का एकलव्य बन गया और क्यों बना? तपस्वी लोग हैं, राष्ट्रभक्त हैं, समर्पण की भावना उत्कृष्ट है, दूसरे विचार को ग्रहण करते हैं और मैं तो आश्चर्यचकित हूं कि खुद के अलावा देश की सोचते हैं, समाज की सोचते हैं.
He even faced an impeachment motion by the opposition in December last year, which was defeated. But this is just one side of Dhankar's legacy. He had also surprised many, including the centre, when he took a strong position against the judiciary. He raised an alarm over what he called judicial overreach, but had also defended the independence of the judiciary. Even during the farmers' protest, Dhankar had urged the centre to speak to the farmers.
मैं खुद कृषक पुत्र हूं, मैं जानता हूं किसान क्या कुछ नहीं झेलता है. किसान से वार्ता अविलंब होनी चाहिए और हमें सबको जानकारी होनी चाहिए. क्या किसान से कोई वादा किया गया था? माननीय कृषि मंत्री जी, आपसे पहले जो कृषि मंत्री जी थे, क्या उन्होंने लिखित में कोई वादा किया था? यदि वादा किया था तो उसका क्या हुआ?
So where did Jagdeep Dhankar really stand?